Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody is doing very well. This is your girl Josy, and we are already in the month of August. So let's take a deep breath. Breathe in, breathe out. I can't believe that it left only 5 months to the year ends. 2024 is going away. I don't know if you're getting ready for the new year or you are just starting all over. For me, August is like a fresh start. So I don't know about you. I remember when I moved into the state, and when I go to the store and I see planners that start from August, I'll be wondering like, why did they have to start this planner from August? Because the year starts from January. Why? And I used to ask myself a lot of questions about that. And I came to realize when I started having kids that the academic year starts from August. So they will have a planner that will start from August to August. I have learned that August is kind of like a fresh start for me. Kids are getting ready to go to school. I'm going to plan the whole year for them till next August. So I kind of love planners we start from August. So let's take a deep breath, breathe in. And for today, my motivational message is appreciate the moment. I am going to appreciate every moment for this month, every moment. And today, I have here a new planner that I saw at Valentine Code, and I couldn't take my eye off. It was $12.99, and your guys like, okay, since I'm going to start fresh in August, let me have this planner to start with. So the message was for I know the plans I have for you. Jeremiah 29:11. God said he knows the plans he has for you. A very good plans, not a bad one. Then after I bought the planner, I also saw this mini highlights. There were 2 of them, and they were like $3.99. So your girl went and spent $3.99. So I bought those. So I'm going to take some for today's monthly budget. Then I'll put the rest away. So let's get into, I opened one already. Let me see which one was it. This one? Yeah, it was this one. So let me take, I'll need about 3 colors. And since I'm starting fresh, I'm going to show you how I set up my monthly budget. And we are in August. Today is on the 1st. So let's do this. I hope everybody's doing very well. Are you having any plans for this month? I'm having a lot of plans for this month. Before the year ends, I have a lot that is coming up. So that's my mini highlighters. So let me put that one on the side. Okay. So these are the 3 I picked. What colors are these? These are like, I don't want to say the colors wrong, but this is the colors that I picked. Let me put it here. And I have my pen. It's a erasable pen that I bought. I love those. And let me go and see. Let me check it with you guys. How it look like. Oh, and I also have a tea here. Every evening I kind of take tea. So this is what I have to. Just a tea bag, not really anything fancy. Let me take a sip. So good. So good. I love teas. Okay, then when you open, we have this over here. I kind of glanced through when they have some stickers. I don't know whether I should use some for today. They have stickers for hope, love, amazing. That's good. I love that. And this planner is from the 𝒂𝒄𝒉. simple money plans. Yeah, and it's surely going to be on my desk. One thing I love was that it was from August 24th to January 26th, which is quite a long time if I'm going to use it. And there are so many beautiful reasons to be happy. And this is the yearly special event, which I haven't done yet. So I'll leave that one and move on. And they have the calendar for 2024. They have one for 25, 26. They have all the holidays here. And for August, is all things are possible. For me, I will add through Christ who strengthened me. Yes, so that was that one. And in August, they have a fresh start for new beginnings. Like I said, it's a fresh start for me. It's like a new academic year for the kids to plan. So these are to-do list when it comes back. The page that I wanted to show you guys is this page. This is the monthly overview, which if you want to do the same thing I'm doing for every month, I try to set my monthly overview for my budget. It has been a game changer for me. And you can do the same thing when you print out a calendar from Google. You can do the same thing. If you have a planner, you can do that as well. Anyhow you want to do it, it's cool. But I always set my monthly overview, which I don't play. Even if I don't do my budget, my monthly overview is there for me to look at it, that all bills are paid, any event I have coming up, like a lot of stuff. So let me just show you guys how I do it. So my paycheck, my actual paycheck in August, the first one will be on the 9th. So payday. Then 23rd, another payday. So these are the 2 paydays in August. It means that I got a paid end of July. That end of July was 26th. That one took care of the bills for 29th, 30th, 31st, 1st, on the 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. So the next time I get paid is on the 9th. So I'll go ahead, fill everything in, then I'll talk to you guys about how I do my monthly overview for this. So let's go ahead and write it out. Okay, so now that I'm able to write all this out, I'm going to explain it to you. So I wrote all my bills out, and the first color I'm going to use is this one. Got paid 26th of July, and when I got paid, those payments are taking care of this ones over here. So I'll highlight it green. I hope you guys can see. So those ones are going to take care of these bills until I get my next paid, which will be on the 9th. Then when I get my next paid on the 9th, these ones, that paycheck is going to take care of these. So I'll highlight this paycheck. It doesn't do justice, but I'll go ahead and do that. So that one will take care of these bills over here. So when I get my next paid, which should be on the 23rd. Okay, then 23rd, this paid. Oh, I like the pink. Will take care of these bills. The next one I get paid will be September 6th after this paycheck, which will go on the next month, which will be September. So normally I don't write anything until I get there. So for now, this is how the monthly overview is looking at. So all these bills are being paid already. I don't get paid on the 1st or on the 15th or the last day of the month. No, my paychecks kind of like randomly thing. I want to see if you guys can see this. It come off randomly. So in the month of August, I'll get paid on the 9th and 23rd. All this payment in the beginning of August is being taken care of for my July pay. That's why at times I find it difficult following most of the budget is being done. So if you don't get paid like that and you get paid randomly in the month, this is how I will set my monthly budget. That will be my monthly overview to know when all these bills are going out. And one thing I realize is that the highlighted method has changed my world. I'm getting so excited. I did it last month. I didn't show you guys, but it's game changer. So you know which bills is going where and which day they are going out. So like I said, my car insurance, my dad, sister, 𝒓𝒆𝒘𝒂𝒓𝒅𝒔, Apple student loan, case insurance, social media investment, another debt investment. All this is being taken care of already for my last paycheck in July. And the rest has been taken off. Like when I get paid on the 9th, my mortgage is going out. It's not going out. My mortgage is due on the 1st of every month. August is being paid already because it goes out on the 1st. And in July, I did a split bill that has taken care of my mortgage already. So I'm doing the same thing in August. When I get paid twice in the month, I'm doing a split bill for my mortgage, and that mortgage will take care of September's mortgage. So this is how I do my monthly overview. Very easy, not too complicated. I don't complicate stuff at all. And if something comes up, I'll just write it on my monthly overview, like events and stuff. Today is on the 1st, so I'm filling in all the event that is coming up for the kids. The kids are going back to school and all those things. Like, so on the 3rd of August, I know I have a major program coming up. So that one, I know I'm going to put it in. I'm going to fill it out. I have some stuff that is coming up. I'm going to fill in it. I have a lot of meetings being scheduled in the month of August. I'm going to fill all that in. But I just want to show you guys, like, if you are like me, you don't get paid on the 1st or on the last of the month or middle of the month, then you get paid like this. This is the simplest way to do your monthly overview to know which bills are going out. And this is merely the first step if you want to learn how to budget. Very easy, not too complicated, because I don't want to complicate stuff for myself. And as time goes on, I'm going to show you guys how I do my bi-weekly paycheck and stuff. I just want to show it in a different way, and so that you guys can see. And I'm going to try and do this every month so that you guys will kind of get the motivation to do that as well. So, not taking much of your time. I hope you enjoy this simple way of doing your monthly budget or monthly overview. So thanks for watching me today. I will see you guys in my next video, which will be tomorrow. So bye.